Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion from March 25th to April 6th. March 25th to 29th, the pattern is forecast to shift slowly eastward, but it will still consist of a ridge near the Aleutians, a trough here near the west coast, and this trough eventually slides into the west, pushing this ridge slowly eastward. And this trough here in the eastern U.S. lifts out. Now you're looking at the GFS, and I go through each day, you start seeing the slow eastward progression. And I'm at the 29th. And we look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement, and they're forecasting a trough in the west, ridge in the east, trough here in the western Atlantic. The main weather this period will be widespread rainfall is forecast from the southern plains into Tennessee Valley, and this area may also experience severe weather. March 28th, April 1st. Here we are at the 29th. The pattern continues its slow progression. The ridge over the Aleutians is forecast to be near the west coast, and I'll show you that. And this ridge slowly slides east, and this ridge will be in the east. So now this is the GFS. I go through each period. You see it start building towards the west coast. And here we are at the 1st, April 1st. This is Easter. The ridge is here now. We have a ridge here. Trough still here in the west. And then we look at the rest of the models. Shows us very well. And then later on, this trough here sinking into northern plains will have a role in the weather later in the period. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here. And in the east, forecast anomalies are to be 2 to 4 degrees below normal, near to above normal temperatures are forecast for this region here, with anomalies up to 4 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 55%, and we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 45%. Now we get to the period for April 2nd to the 6th, and spring's not quite here yet because I was looking at some of the models. They're still showing possible freezes for the east. But still fluctuate with warm periods interrupted by cold periods. So we're going to be looking at the 2nd, and we still have our ridge here. We have a trough here in the west, ridge in the east, and this trough here with an upper low north of Hudson Bay starts sinking southward, and I'll show you this. You start seeing slowly sinking, and the flow kind of flattens, not as amplified as it was in the previous period. This is GFS. This GFS ensembles, and I think this is European ensembles. Yep, European ensembles. Ridge in the west, leading to a trough in the east. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the west coast and also portions of the east, and forecast anomalies to be about 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast for a large area of the Rockies, southern plains, lower Mississippi Valley, and the anomalies of 4 degrees above normal are forecast. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is near 55%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion from March 25th through April 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.